Okay guys, so we're just gonna do a quick test video for this one. So as everybody who's been following the page knows that this is an experimental one. It's the Scarab frame config to a S frame, so that's the front. This is not a Z frame, it's an S frame, reverse Z. So it's the front props that are at the front. Front props are the lifted up, right? So it will be flying like this. So based on our previous data, we're having a lot of prop wash, unlike in the Z frame where we have a clearance for the airflow. On this one, we have when we do make an incline, it becomes laminar to this side. So in short, we were feeling some sort of a prop wash that could be due to the uh, prop wash, due to the vortex created by the front propeller. So we're just gonna test one. Before we tried an S frame on an X format. This is a dead cat now. We're on a dead cat format, and we increased the arms further just so we will have more clearance. So actually, if we're gonna convert this to an X frame or into a standard build, these are 6-inch arms. Okay, so we're just gonna test this one out. Recording now. Make sure that my props, because we're using a cheat here. We have some propeller talons so that our props won't hit the floor while it's spinning. Okay, flying now. 4-inch. Okay, based on sound. Okay, control. Okay, stabilizing at over throttle at, wow, this is strong. Okay, 25. Staying at 25. Okay, I'm pretty big. I don't usually fly here. Yeah, we're just gonna have a feel for this one. Sounds okay. I'm having difficulty regarding the 4-inch in an indoor, trying to avoid the ceiling. Okay, trying to avoid the ceiling. Just give me a few minutes to grasp. Well, flight is stable. Motor diagnostic is normal, steady. Okay, we've been flying for 1 minute. Just give me a few passes and maybe we'll check the motor. So flight is stable. Flight is stable. Actually, I will not feel that this is an S frame. So okay, the sound. Okay. Something's definitely weird with the airflow. I see nothing. My camera has no jello, so I won't be assuming that there will be some stable problem with the build. Okay. Okay. How can I describe the sound? Okay, let me try to give you guys a good cover right in the front. Okay, sorry, I'm 4-inch. I cannot see. I can see well. Hovering is normal. I think it will behave like any other normal drone. I think my battery is about to go out on my goggles. Wow, the timing. I'm just gonna fly low. Yeah, my battery is definitely gonna go down. gonna keep this short. Okay. My gargle battery is gonna go down. Let me just save. You can do a normal hover. Pretty stable. From here, I'm not feeling any of the vortex. And from here, it's pretty stable for me. I mean, I have built quads that have like went haywire. It's more stable. So just a quick recap. Just to observe both the flight, hover, pre-flight, and hovering sound, whatever. Okay, this is based on my observation and based on how I have flown before. Pretty stable on normal flight. When it flies, it seems like normal. I cannot fully give a full feedback yet on how would it perform on high winds. There you go. Because again, this is an S format, so when we were flying, it's like this one. It's flying like that. Regarding the sound, whether of the prop wash, if it's really a prop wash, or maybe the wind dynamics on the arms is creating a different sound, because I cannot see a drop, you know, like when you stay in one position, or like when you turn where there will be like a slight jitter due to the prop wash. Like, I don't feel that yet. Maybe on a much more bigger build, yeah, but for this one seems okay. Seems, yeah. So if there's a given chance for me to fly this one on an open field, maybe a shout out to the Mana group. Sana if I can fly this one on the out there, just to give it a shot, see how it will perform. I mean, good or bad, I have no idea. Just want to test this out for, experimental build sake. Anyways, happy flying, guys.